Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel AglaSim Schools. So today in this video we are going to cover exercise 6.3 from chapter 9 and the name of the chapter is lines and angles. So let's start with the first question, which says in figure sides QP and RQ of triangle PQR are produced to point S and T respectively. If angle SPR is equals to 135 degree and angle PQT is equals to 110 degree, find angle PRQ. So we have to find angle PRQ. Angle PRQ. Angle PQT plus angle PQR is equals to 180 degree because of linear pair. Angle 110 degree plus angle PQR is equals to 180 degree. We have to solve this. Angle PQR is equals to 180 degree minus 110 degree is equals to 70 degree. So angle PQR is 70 degree. Angle SPR plus angle QPR is equals to 180 degree. SPR 135 degree plus angle QPR is equals to 180 degree because of linear pair. Angle PQR is equals to 180 degree minus 135 degree, that is for angle SPR is equals to 45 degree. So angle QPR is 45 degree. In angle PQR, angle PQPR plus angle PQR plus angle R is equals to 180 degree. 70 degree plus 45 degree plus angle R is 180 degree. Let's solve this. 70 degree plus 45 degree is 115 degree plus angle R is equals to 180 degree. So angle R is equals to 180 degree minus 115 degree is equals to 65 degree. So question number 2 says in figure angle X is equals to 62 degree, angle XYZ is equals to 54 degree given if YO and ZO are bisectors of angle XYZ and angle XYZ respectively of angle triangle XYZ, find angle OZY and angle YOZ. So given that angle X is equals to 62 degree and angle XYZ is equals to 54 degree. This is triangle XYZ is equals to 54 degree. In triangle XYZ, angle X plus angle XYZ plus XY dash is equals to 180 degree. This is a sum of, so it will be 180 degree. So triangle XYZ, the value of X is 62 degree plus 54 degree, that is for angle Y, plus angle XYZ is equals to 180 degree. So 116 degree plus angle XZY is equals to 180 degree. Angle XYZ is equals to 180 degree minus 116 degree is equals to 64 degree. YO and ZO are the bisector of angle XYZ and angle XZY respectively. Therefore, angle OYZ is equals to 1 upon 2 of angle XYZ is equals to 1 upon 2 into 54 is equals to 27 degree. Angle OZY is equals to 1 upon 2 angle XZY is equals to 1 upon 2 into 64 degree is equals to 32 degree. In triangle OYZ, angle OZY plus angle OYZ plus angle YOZ is equals to 180 degree, that is 32 degree plus 27 degree plus angle YOZ is equals to 180 degree. So 59 degree plus angle YOZ is equals to 180 degree. So angle YOZ is equals to 180 degree minus 59 degree, that is 121 degree. So question number 3 says in figure AB is parallel to DE, angle BAC is equals to 35 degree, angle BAC is equals to 35 degree and angle CDE is equals to 50 degree. CDE is equals to 53 degree. Find DCE. We have to find DCE. Given that AB parallel to DE, therefore angle CED is equals to angle BAC. That is because of alternate angles. Angle CD is equals to 35 degree. In triangle CDE, angle CED plus angle DCDE plus DCE is equals to 180 degree. Now we have to solve this. We have the values 35 degree plus 53 degree plus angle DC is equals to 180 degree. So 35 plus 53 is 88 degree plus angle DCE is equals to 180 degree. So angle DCE is equals to 180 degree minus 88 degree, that is 92 degree. So the value for angle DCE is 92 degree. So question number 4 says, in figure, if lines PQ and RS intersect at point T, if line PQ and RS intersect at point T such that angle PRT is equals to 40 degree and angle RPT is equals to 95 degree and angle TSQ is equals to 75 degree. Find angle SQT. We have to find angle SQT. Given that angle PRT is equals to 40 degree, angle RPT is equals to 95 degree and TSQ is equals to 75 degree, and triangle PTR, angle P plus angle R plus angle PTR is equals to 180 degree. 95 degree plus 40 degree plus angle PTR is equals to 180 degree. 135 degree plus angle PTR is equals to 180 degree. Angle PTR is 180 degree minus 135 degree is equals to 45 degree. So angle PTR is 45 degree. Angle STQ is equals to angle PTR. Angle STQ is equals to 45 degree. Vertically, these are vertically opposite angle. In angle triangle SQT, angle STQ plus angle S plus angle SQT is equals to the total sum of 180 degree. So we have to put the values. Angle SQT is 45 degree, angle STQ is 75 degree plus angle SQT is equals to 180 degree. So 45 plus 75 is 120 degree plus angle SQT is 180 degree. So angle SQT is equals to 180 minus 120. So the value for angle SQT is 60 degree. So the angle SQT is 60 degree. So in question number 5, it says, in figure, if PQ is 90 degree to PS, PQ parallel to SR, angle SQR is 28 degree and angle QRT is equal to 65 degree, then find the value of X and Y. We have to find the value of X and Y. Given that PQ is 90 degree to angle PS, PQ parallel to SR, angle SQR is 28 degree and angle QRT is 65 degree. So angle PQR is equals to angle QRT. Angle PQR is equals to angle QRT because of alternate angle. So angle RQS plus angle PQS is 65 degree. 28 degree plus X is equals to 65 degree. X equals to 65 degree minus 28 degree is equals to 37. So the value for the X is 37 degree. In a triangle PQS, angle P plus angle PQS plus angle PSQ is equals to 180 degree. 90 degree plus 37 degree plus Y is equals to 180 degree. 127 degree plus Y is equals to 180 degree. So the value for the Y is 180 degree minus 127. So we will get 53 degrees. So question number 6 says, in figure, the side QR of triangle PQR triangle, the side of, that is QR, is produced to the point S if the bisectors of angle PQR and angle PRS meet at point T, then prove that angle QTR is equals to 1 upon 2 angle QPR. So we have to prove that angle QTR is equals to 1 upon 2 to angle QPR. So angle PRS is the exterior angles of angle PQR. So here angle PRS is the exterior angle of angle PQR. Therefore angle PRS is equals to angle QPR plus angle PQR. 1 upon 2 angle PRS is equals to 1 upon 2 angle QPR plus 1 upon 2 angle PQR. Angle TRS is equals to 1 upon 2 angle QPR plus TQR. So angle TRS is exterior angle of triangle TQR. This is first. Therefore TRS angle is equals to angle QTR plus angle TQR, that is second value equation. From equation 1 and 2 we have angle QTR plus angle TQR is equals to 1 upon 2 angle QPR plus angle TQR is equals to angle QTR is equals to 1 upon 2 angle QPR. So hence it is proved that QTR is equals to 1 upon 2 angle QPR. So this is all for exercise 6.3. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. If you like our videos, then don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel Agla Sim School. So till then, bye bye, take care.